This is, you've never heard this done in a competition. Nobody ever done this. You ready for that?
Just about.
Go for it, right? Ladies and gents, round of applause, please. Emily, Louise, Taka, here we go.
Your fingertips across my skin, the palm trees swaying in my chest. You send me Spanish lullabies, the sweetest sadness in your eyes, ever true. I never wanna see you unhappy. I thought you wanted to stay for me. Goodbye, my almost lover. Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about you. Can't you just let me be? So long, my luckless romance, my back is turned on you. Should've known you'd bring me heartache. Almost lovers always do. We walked along a crowded street. You took my hand and danced with me in the days. And when you left, you kissed my lips. You told me you would never let me forget these images. No. I never wanna see you unhappy. I thought you wanted to stay for me. Goodbye, my almost lover. Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about you. Can't you just let me be? So long, my luckless romance, my back is turned on you. Should've known you'd bring me heartache. Almost lovers always do. I cannot go to the ocean. I cannot drive the streets at night. I cannot wake up in the morning without you on my mind. Now you're gone and I'm haunted, and I bet you were just fine. I'll make it that easy to walk right out of my life. Goodbye, my almost lover. Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about you. Can't you just let me be? So long, my luckless romance, my back is turned on you. Should've known you'd bring me heartache. Almost lovers always do.
So, what do you think of that?
I thought that was so pretty and unique. You have such a lovely, unique tone. It was so like refreshing almost. I love the higher breathy notes in your head voice. They were stunning. 2 seconds. I'm just going to understand my whole hand. I loved your range as well, like the lower notes compared to like the higher notes. It was like 2 completely different sounds, but I loved it. And it was so emotional as well. Like that performance really made me like feel something, which is stunning. I loved it. The only thing I can say is don't hold back. Like similar to what Joey just said to Joe, don't hold back. I can see, but I feel like you will. Like I feel like you got so much more to like let out. So just let it out. That's all I can say. It was phenomenal. Well done.
Kelly?
I thought that was a perfect song choice for you. I thought it was a beautiful song and I thought you had a beautiful vocal over it. I love the fact that you're very internal when you sing because I think that added to the vulnerability and we really got our emotional connection to the song through you, and I thought that was beautiful. I thought the song only needed that amount of, it was a very subtle song, and I think you gave it the right amount of light and shade and sang it as a story, and you really sort of like reeled me in. And I loved the way that you flipped into your head voice. I just thought the whole performance was really, really beautiful and really moving. So well done.
Thank you.
Emily, I'm really, really happy with what you've just done there, and you should be really happy with yourself because at the end of the day, this is a competition and it's all about you all taking a step in the right direction in what you're doing. You definitely listened to what was mentioned last week in the audition because you come back this week and that is exactly what I particularly wanted to see from you. This vulnerable side is one of my favourite parts to you as a singer, and it came back to life. This is definitely the right direction. It doesn't mean you can't take on challenges and show us some fun songs and that sort of stuff, but this is what sells you so well. It makes such a difference. There was two parts in particular in that. There was a few bits that it was a bit like, oh, it's a bit shaky, but it weren't dramatic, it weren't terrible. But there was two parts in particular that was proper sweet spots. And I was like, oh my God. Twice that happened to me then in that. You've done yourself really proud tonight because this is the right direction for you. And yeah, you should be really happy with what you just done. You made 100% the right move picking this song. Well done, Emily.
Thank you.
Well done, Joey.